Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to Scum Garage. Today we got another little project here. We are replacing license plate light bulbs, I believe. Well, these are LEDs one. I'm actually going to replace the whole housing itself. And at this point in time, if you are going to replace the whole the light bulb, I'm going to show you how to do it. Or you can go ahead and replace the whole housing with these LED ones. These are pretty nice. I got them from Amazon. They're not bad, but well, anyway, we'll see. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, let's take a look at what these look like up close. I believe they fit most Hondas and Acuras. Have to do some research on it, but I know they fit the Accord. I forgot what year though. But they all kind of tend to come in these shape and sizes. Okay, so we're at the back of the trunk. I took the license plate off. This one there, this one right here. As you can see, it's kind of fogged out. It's got that yellow mist on it. One of them actually blew out, so that's why it's the reason why I'm replacing this. All right, let's go ahead and open that trunk. All right, so I got myself some pry tool here. This is a metal pry tool. These are plastic pieces, and I got myself a little small Phillips screwdriver. Probably don't need this one, but just in case. All right, so I'm looking at the trunk right now. This is a trunk opened up. As you can see, it's opened up. Here's the handle. If you come and look at this spot right here, it's got a little notch, so you can put like some kind of screwdriver or some plastic pry piece in there and just pry it up, and this whole panel will just come off. I don't think you want to put a flathead in there because you might damage all of this right here, but if you don't care about it, you can do it. But I still care about this car, so I'm not going to put a flathead in there. Alright, as soon as you pry it, you want to get your finger in here and just move your pry piece along the edge. And then you just go ahead and you can pull it down. Use a little bit of force if you need to. It's hooked on with this kind of latch right here into the corner. Alright, so if you come up in here, it's right there, straight ahead. You just have to squeeze and pinch it out. Here's the plugs for it. Same thing. Squeeze down. Pull. All right. Okay, so I forgot a step here. As you can see, there's this black panel cover that goes over, and this, you actually need to push this out. You can't push it out because of this panel here. Get yourself a little pry piece. Find a little spot. You have to gently pry it out. It'll pop out. Just be gentle with it. It'll come out. Here we go. And you can leave it dangling because it's got the wires for the camera. It runs all up in there. So it ain't gonna come out completely, but this is all you need. Right now, you just have to, since we've already disconnected from the back, lift it. Same thing with this. Push, lift. There we go. Let's go ahead and test it to make sure it works before we put everything back together. Wow, that's nice and bright. It's pretty bright. Now the cops will be able to see my license plate, no problem. They shouldn't be able to complain now. Alright, we're done here. Everything goes back in. This panel can go in like that. All right, and we're done. As you can see, it was an easy process. There was nothing involved, just prying a little bit here and there. If you're interested in the same LED bulb that I have here on the RDX, I will link a link in the description below. You guys can buy that off the Amazon if you want to. If you do find this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, comment below, and subscribe. And until then, you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.